Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Ada. In this video, I'm simply sharing with you my weekly meal prep, and you're definitely going to find loads of ideas for meals that you can batch cook for yourself or for your family. So let's get cooking. For this week, I'll be making two soups, egusi and okra soups. I'll also be making chicken and turkey stew, pasta, moi moi and beans. I'm going to be starting off with the chicken and turkey stew. Now I cook my stew with an entirely different method. I simply mix up my meat and my tomatoes and let everything cook together till my stew is ready. It comes out quite good. There's no frying, no added oil in this method. While my stew is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep my fish. I'm going to be making fried fish. I've got my fish here washed and seasoned. I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes on the stove and then have it fry in the air fryer.
Drink juice from the sweetest berries.
Now the fish is in the air fryer, I'm going to start off with the okra soup. I've washed my okra now. I'm just going to blend it quickly. So I love to blend my okra really smoothly. I don't like big chunks of okra in my soup, so I love to blend it this way, really smooth, like you can see here. And then it's going to be just plain okra and eating with stew.
Kiss my tears with music. Fill suitcases up and fly across the seas. Not a thing belongs to us. Even the air we breathe. Deep talks in the car while the world is sleeping. Bare feet on the ground while my mind stays dreaming.
Here you have it. The okra soup is ready. I really love to make my okra in this way because it's quite simple, but it's also very tasty. And my husband loves it, my kids love it, and so it works for everyone.
Find my love, don't lose it. Lay in the dark, but I'm always blue. Hey, lay in the dark. Find my love, don't lose it. Kiss my tears with music.
Now I've finished with the okra soup. I'm going to set that aside and get on with the egusi soup. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this soup. Again, for the egusi soup, I'm not using any added oil. I only use pepper mix for it. So just watch and see how I make this soup.
But you can't let go. What are you doing? You want things I run out of mine. But lately, you've been missing from my daily. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. It's something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear you speak off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened to crazy for me, no control, spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets on the phone. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Yeah, I'm gonna need.
I'm now going to put them in the reusable plastic so they can go in the freezer.
What are you doing? You can't give the feeling up. Thinking about us. Right.
So that's my egusi soup going in the bowls, and then the okra as well as the stew.
Some take it back and be 3 blocks when my feet hurt. Bet you off of this boulevard. We reasons been apart, nothing but a hurt from the start. But lately, you've been missing from my daily. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. Yeah, something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear you speak off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. I'm gonna need to.
And so that's it. That's all of my cooking for today. I have made egusi soup, okra soup. Those are ready. The fried fish is ready as well. I've gone ahead to make rice as well as spaghetti. Tomorrow I'm going to continue with the rest of the cooking. I'll be making moi moi and beans. See you tomorrow.
Bet she can't do it like me. No, she could never be MC.
So this is the next day, and for today I have to cook moi moi and beans. So I'm going to start with the moi moi.
Off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. I'm gonna need it. Tell me what happened to being crazy for us. Switched it up, shit. Now I know I'm not your only. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Said I'm gonna need.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my worries. Behind me they can't touch me now. Yeah, that's how do I know if it's love that I I'm speaking of. This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down and you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball.
I know how to get away, yes. You're the one who has.
It's now time for me to start my beans. So I'm going to be pressure cooking these beans. It's going to be oilless, but I'll be cooking it with stockfish, dry fish, as well as meat stock. So now I've finished my cooking for today. The moi moi is ready, the beans is ready as well. I'm now going to pack up the beans and put them in the reusable plastics. They go in the freezer and then the moi moi goes in the fridge. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you have picked a thing or two from it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and if you've loved the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bridges, guess he couldn't take it. Guess I'm too high.